Drew likes to watch TV. And when you watch TV, what do you do? Well, actually, they both like to watch TV. Only problem is, Carter likes to switch the channel, because he likes to watch CNN. Can you tell me what's happened in the news today, Carter? Well, what happened was, you didn't know because Drew switched it to the Animal Planet. Drew likes to watch the monkeys. He likes to watch the monkeys in the trees and all the animals. What happened? What happened, man? Uh-oh. Whose turn is it to have the remote today? Carter says it's his turn. Is it your turn, man? It is. He's just kicking those little feet. Does that mean you're hungry? Drew said, well, I already ate, so I'm content. Carter, he wants to get up and run around or something. Look at them little legs just going.